Hi everybody, it's Tereese. I'm here with a video today showing what I created for Maka's home. Hey Maka! She's having a 4-year anniversary challenge on her video, and I'll link her video down below. She is hosting a card kit swap, and you had to create 6 of them, and one is for her. And she had different categories that you could pick from. I picked Christmas. I got to get this package out to her because she's going to mail our swaps back to us. She's, you know, an amazing. I mean, I remember we used to do that, and it was very, very costly. But we're supposed to send her some postage money um, to have her mail it back to us, so that's good. And let me show you the card. Now, I made a card to share with you guys, but I'll come back on how I assembled it. It's really simple, but she wants us to do an assemble video, so I didn't really follow the directions, but I will come back on a later date to share how I assembled it. So, um, so I chose Christmas because I just absolutely love Christmas, and I just bought this new die from my Creative Time, and I got some packaging that I thought went well together, and this is what I created. So I created the giant gingerbread, um, and it's just a regular A2 size card. This is pattern paper from Hobby Lobby. This is some metallic red paper, and I think I got this metallic paper from um, Dollar Tree. I'm thinking it's kind of a thick cardstock. Here, I have one here. Um, it's it's like cardstock. It's not the real flimsy metallic paper that you would get at Dollar Tree. This one was like poster board, I think. Um, so I used that as a layering piece. And here is the gingy, and I'm going to come back and share how I put this little gingy together. I love the mug and the cocoa and the little gingy inside and the little marshmallows. And my kit is mainly paper, the big gingy, and all these little tiny pieces that go with it. And, you know, you could add glitter or stickles to um, oh, and I also stamped the faces because the die comes with specific size face, and I just thought this face is just simply adorable. You can use it for anything. These little tiny hearts are in there. I mean, all the little tiny pieces are in there, and it's just really, it's just such a cute little die. I added, some stickles to the frosting. I inked the edges to make it look like a gingerbread cookie. I also also like toasted the marshmallows. I added some ink to the marshmallows. So it is adorable. I just think it's really cute. And I left the inside blank so they could use it for anything. I mean, obviously, this could be like a birthday card for a December or January baby. I mean, really, it could be used for anything, but you could use it as a Christmas card as well. So I just thought this was so adorable. So that is my card, and the kit that I'm sending to Maka. Then I went to Dollar Tree and I picked up this packaging, and I just thought this and this just went together, you know, it's so well. I'm so glad I bought this from my creative time. And I'll have, if you don't know Emma from my creative time, you should, because she creates such cute sets. And I will link her down below as well. This is a Dollar Tree bag. See here? It's just a little bag, and it's so cute. And my kit is inside, along with a little treat I included. I made this little um, clip to go on the bag. This is a Dollar Tree. Oh, sorry, not Dollar Tree. This is a Hobby Lobby bling. It's a gingerbread bling. And then this, I believe, is from Dollar Tree. Couple, well, several years. It's a garland. It was a garland, and I think they came in with a tree garland and this snowflake. And I just thought it went well with the packaging. So I made 6 of them because we had to make 6. And I just think these packaging is just so cute and so perfect for this swap. I want to thank Makaz for hosting this swap, and I can't wait to get my my kits in the mail. I'm going to be sending this off hopefully today or tomorrow, if 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 time permits, I guess, is what I want to say, because I've been very busy at work. And then here is my card that I created for this swap. So thanks everybody for watching. Have a great week. Oh my gosh, it's already November. And Christmas is just around the corner. I love this time of year. I love the hot cocoa season, and, family. And I love this time of year. So thanks everybody for watching. Have a great week, and I'll see you in my next video, hopefully. Bye now.